Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design this beautiful thumbnail in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video like this. Like this video, share it with your friend and comment how you feel about the design. This is a way that you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Thank you for doing so, and in few minutes time now we will get this thing done. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's get in started. On 280 by 720, and when you are done with these settings, just click on create. When that is done, we go to our gallery and we are going to pick this guy, this young guy. I'm going to insert it here. Awesome. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to enhance this image a bit, and as you can see, the image is looking awesome already. If I want to enhance it, I go to camera raw to enhance it. So we increase the sharpness. There's no formula for this. You can just enhance it the way you like, but don't do too much. So just little, add little, and you are through. I'm fine with this one. I'll click on OK. Awesome. And if you are wondering where I got this image, you can go to freepik.com, so that you can get access to all these beautiful images. So what you are going to do next is to duplicate this layer. I'm going to convert it to smart objects. After duplicating it, I will go to image, then go to adjustment, then go to hue and saturation. So I'm going to desaturate this one, and I'll click OK. Awesome. I will go to our gallery, then I'm going to import this. I'm going to import this texture. Click OK. Then I'm going to change the mode. I'm going to change the mode to, let me go with soft light. So this is what I want to achieve, this particular thing that I want to achieve. So I will go to our image, go to adjustment, and go to brightness, and I'm going to improve the brightness. Do one or two adjustments here. Okay, I'm fine with this. Awesome. And we go to our image again, go to adjustment, then go to gradient map. So I'm going to twist this gradient. I'm going to twist it like this and bring this one here. So this is what we'll be using. Exactly. So for you to get the color code, this is the color code that I use. This is the color code for the green part, and for this part, this is the color code. You can copy it and make use of it when you are practicing. Alright, when that is done, click on OK. Click OK. Fine. Awesome. So what you are going to do is to merge everything, all the layers, merge it together. Right click on it. Fine. Right click on it, then click on merge layer. Awesome. So we've gotten two layers like this. You can hide this one or you can delete it. We've gotten two layers like this. So we go to our gallery again. I'm going to drag this one. Let's drag this one in. Awesome. Then we go to our layer again. We are going to drag this one. We're going to drag it in. Then we are going to scale it up. Can we adjust it? Okay. After adjusting it, click on OK. Awesome. So I'm going to crystallize it. I right click on it and crystallize the layer. Because I want to use the eraser tool. Bring out your eraser tool, then select. Then I'm going to erase this part first. This circle part, this man, I'm going to erase it. So carefully do that. I'm going to scale this one up so that we are going to save time. Alright, and when we've achieved that, I'm going to deal with this. So what we are going to do with this, we are going to create a mask. Then click on B on our keyboard. We are going to erase this part. So just follow up. Awesome. I think I can still do one more thing about this layer. So I will click on it. I will change the mode to dark. I think I like it like this. I think this one is better. Awesome. Anyhow you feel it, if you like it that way, you can keep it that way. But I think this part is better, and I will go for this. For me, I'm cool with this. And so what you are going to do next, we are going to go to our layer again, and we are going to drag this one. We are going to drag it in. Awesome. So for our design to give it more details, I'm going to add shadow to this paper tone. I will go to our blending mode and give it a drop shadow. You can follow these settings. Then I think this one is better. Then you click OK. Awesome. So what you are going to do next, you are going to click on this and we are going to merge all the layers together by pressing Alt Ctrl Shift E on our keyboard. After merging it, we go to our filter, go to camera raw filter, then we give it a finishing touch. This actually depends on you. There's no formula for this. Just it the way you like, and when you're satisfied, you click on OK. So, I'm going to now make sure you add this vignetting effect to it to make it more, to make those sides more darker. Make sure you add it to it, and when you're done, click OK. Alright, awesome. And with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you are able to gain value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow. Please comment, like, and share this video. I will see you in my next tutorial. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.